Hi everyone, welcome to TESPERT India. So the next root word is AC or ACR, which means sharp and bitter. So acerbic, what is meant by acerbic? We know AC means bitter plus erbic. So a sharp comment or something that tastes sour or bitter. So if we say that someone's comment is very acerbic, then it's a short comment. And we can also say that lemon is acerbic. That means lemon is sour. We can also use acerbic if anything is bitter. Acrimonious. We know ACR means bitter. So what's the meaning of acrimonious? Angry and full of strong bitter feelings and words. Acrid. ACR means bitter. So having a strong bitter smell or taste that is unpleasant. So in other words, pungent. Exacerbate. We know AC means sharp. Of course, X is intensifier. So to make something worse, especially a disease or a problem. Acumen. We know AC means sharp. So the ability to understand and decide things quickly and well. So that's the meaning of acumen. The next root word is acro, which means high or extremity or tip. So what's our word? Acrocarpus. We know acro means tip, carp means fruit. So acrocarpus means a plant which has fruit at the tip of the stem or stalk. Acrobat. We know acro means high. Bat is another root word which means to walk, but as of now we know acro means high. So one who walks on height to perform gymnastic feats. Acropolis. So acro means height and polis means city. So a castle or a citadel that is built on top of a hill. So that is acropolis and it's a noun. Acrolect. So acro means high, lect means language. So a form of language that is considered to have a higher status than other forms. Acrophobia. So acro means height, phobia means fear. So acrophobia means abnormal fear of heights. Fear of heights. Acrostic. So a poem in which the first letters can be read downwards to form a word. Right? So if you have a poem like this, these letters, if we read them downwards, the first letter of each line of the poem, so it will form a word. So that kind of poem is known as acrostic. So this is one more root word, agog. Agog means leader or to lead. Demagogue. So we know agog means leader, dem means people. So popular leader of the people. Hypnagogue. We know HYPN means sleep, agog means to lead. So a drug that leads and induces to sleep. Mystagogue. Mist means mysteries, agog means to lead. So a person who leads and initiates into mysteries. Synagogue. Syn, S-Y-N means same, agog means to lead. The worship place of Jews where all people are or all are same, right? So this is one more root word, all, ali, alter, which means other or another, alternative, right? Allegory. What's meant by allegory? Alle means we know other or alternative. So a story, a play in which each character is a symbol representing an idea, a quality such as truth, evil, death, etc. Alibi. So please note here, it's not alibi, it's alibi. What's meant by alibi? Ali means another and by. So proof that a person was in another place at the time of any incident. So in other words, it means justification, right? So alibi means justification. Altruist. We know alt means alternative or other. So unselfish regard for or devotion to the welfare of others, right? So welfare of others. Alter ego. A person's alternative or secondary personality. So a person's alternative personality or a person's secondary personality. So that's the meaning of alter ego. Altercation. A noisy argument or disagreement, especially in public. So that's all for today. In the upcoming videos, we will be delving into more root words. So by the time you attempt CAT, that is by November 25th or by November 26th, you will learn around 1800 words, right? 1800 words only through these roots. Okay, only through these root words. So this is a very rich vocabulary. Keep revising the root words, keep revising the words that are derived from these root words, and you will be able to perform very well in your verbal abilities section of different MBA entrance exams. And it also helps you in the reading comprehension section also, right? So thank you very much and all the very best.